What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Look at her. Here we have a food truck with a 2003 5.3 liter LS. They've done the Terminator X Max. I had it run at one time, but the previous mechanic didn't have an O2 sensor installed. Anyways, long story short, I've been through it all. Fuel pressure's good. All the settings are good. Battery's good. It ran so rich prior to the O2 sensor that it failed every plug. I've got them pulled. They're in the ultrasonic. I'll bring you back whenever we get ready to start it up. Watch them plugs.